Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing exactly what the extension needs. Install Python 3, 10+ pip and a code editor and set a virtual environment. Once done, create a project folder and add a minimal manifest. JSON with name, version, and manifest version 3 entries so Chrome recognizes it. Make sure to pick the extension type now. Content scripts inject into pages. Background services handle events. Pop-up provides UI, because that choice shapes your Python to Java script interaction strategy. You now implement the core functionality. Write your Python logic and choose a bridge. Run a local Flask or fast API server during development, or convert critical code to WebAssembly for distribution. Once set, create a JavaScript bridge. Use fetch calls to your local API or post message for in-browser communication. Then wire up Chrome-specific files. Content scripts to inject behavior, a background service worker to manage events, and pop-up HTML/CSS for user controls. This keeps responsibilities clear and debugging simpler. You finish by loading the extension via Chrome, //extensions with developer mode enabled. Click Load Unpacked and point to your project folder, then test every flow. Before packaging, remove any development-only servers or credentials, minimize permissions in manifest. JSON and bundle static assets. Finally, sign and publish if desired. If something breaks, check the DevTools console and Chrome, //extensions service worker logs. Errors often reveal missing permissions or failed fetch requests. Use incremental fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.